Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everybody had a good week. I'm going to do a little crypto update here, talk about Bitcoin price action. I'll cover the assets that I'm personally invested in, as well as talk about some NFT gaming. First of all, none of this is financial advice, just my opinions. Second of all, if there's anything that I ever talk about or that you have questions about, by all means, leave a comment on the videos or just get a hold of me on social media or text me. I'm more than happy to discuss cryptocurrency 24/7. Just reach out. For the few people that got a hold of me this week, is now a good time to get into the market. Um, it just depends what you're willing to do by end of bull run. The next, I don't know, 4 to 7 months roughly. If you're willing to buy now and sell within those 7 months, by all means, I think there's still plenty of room to make money. If you would much rather, hold for a longer time frame, I would wait till the bull run's over, wait for the bear market to set in, all the prices will retrace much lower, buy in then at a better price. You just have to wait for this bull run to expire and wait for the bear market to set in. Also, shout out to the people who, were investing at a rough time, so to speak. Had some friends that got in back in, May, June, kind of right about this area. Had a huge drop with the miners getting kicked out of China and all the other FUD. Hit me up and said, hey, man, what are you doing? I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. Said, hey, man, just be patient. Wait it out. See what happens second half of the year. They did so. And as you can see over the last month, price is definitely treating them well. 3 months even, I think, is doing fairly decent. So for everybody that held on, congratulations for having the patience to hold on. Hopefully things continue doing what they're doing and we all make a lot of money. Right here with Bitcoin price action, like I said, for the month, definitely up, meaning all of your altcoins should also be up on the monthly. When you talk about cryptocurrency, there's Bitcoin, and then everything else is altcoin. So, like I said, if Bitcoin's up on the monthly, your altcoin should be up on the monthly. If you open up your altcoin and you go to the chart and you click on the 1 month chart and it's red, that's a shitcoin. And I would highly recommend not investing into shitcoins. I would get into a project that's actually decent and is up on the month as it should be. Right here on CoinMarketCap, I got my watch list set up. These are the coins that I'm personally invested in. I did not include on this list any coin that I use for swing trading, jumping in and out. These are the coins that I just kind of hold long term, DCA into them, dollar cost average, DCA, as I get money and I invest it in the market across whichever one I'm buying. Top two right here on market cap would be Ethereum and Polkadot. They are both main nets. They both deal with like smart contracts, building stuff on their platform. Next in line is Chainlink. That's an oracle. Kind of helps communicate off-chain and on-chain data to like process through, smart contracts, or if it's an oracle for a DeFi, whatever it's working for to communicate those two lines of data. VeChain, this is my number one coin right here. VeChain deals with supply chain technology, logistics tracking, stuff like that. Comey is an NFT platform. They did already release some DC NFTs like Batman. They announced a few months ago that they do have the Marvel partnership, which has definitely led to a lot of questions about, well, if Disney owns Marvel, are they going to get Disney? There's definitely multiple NFT platforms, not just a Comey, but whoever gets like Disney, Pokemon, stuff like that, they're going to blow up. So always fun to kind of keep an eye on these NFT markets. Sharing deals with global travel, like digital passports. Certain countries have COVID-19 restrictions. They don't want you in their country unless you've had the vaccination. Sharing's app does have a vaccine passport. You can show your proof of vaccination so you can travel freely. Bao Finance, decentralized finance, getting into the synthetic asset class. Happy deals with security, like wallet and blockchain security. If your wallet gets hacked, they can help you track down your stuff. And then ADAX. ADAX is definitely a new coin. I've been in it about a week. As you can see, it's blowing up. Crazy how much it's gone up since I started investing. It's a new contract on Cardano's network. If you click on a coin, it'll show you here the contract that it's on. So Cardano is releasing smart contracts. I believe September 12th is like the official public release date. As you can see, ADAX, which is Cardano's exchange, like Cardano Swap, and it's on Cardano's network. So a swap is just like, it's a decentralized exchange. Uniswap, Sushi Swap, 1inch. You can swap coins back and forth. You can swap from Ethereum to, just about any token that you can think of that it has a pairing for on the swap. They're sharing right there. You can swap coins back and forth, right? Well, what I'm getting at is like Sushi Swap and Uniswap run on Ethereum, and Ethereum has gas fees, and its gas fees are extremely expensive. Up here, it does show you, the GUI for the gas and how fast it is. And the gas fees for Ethereum are crazy expensive. So a swap like this one being written on Cardano's network is going to have much, much lower gas prices, meaning per transaction it's going to be cheaper, meaning more people are going to want to use it and invest into it, meaning this number right here is going to blow up, son. So if you have the overall knowledge of how you move around different exchanges to purchase, I would recommend getting ADAX. Currently, it's only available on one market, X markets. You can see here the different pairings, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, USDT. Again, not financial advice, not shilling ADAX for any specific reason. I just think it has a lot of upside potential. Just on the day alone, lots and lots of increase, 81% on the day. So, anywho, those are the coins that I'm invested in. Like I said, I do a lot of bouncing around with swing trading on, just about anything that I think I can make quick money on. So the NFT news for the game, I did a video about Chainmonsters here a few weeks ago. They've actually announced their Alpha 6 release, which is like their, right here, it's going to be their biggest gameplay and content update to date. They're going to update the graphics, which this is a huge increase. Their marketplace is actually open right here. If you remember, I was talking about the NFTs that you can earn in the game right now for the early access. Well, now you're able to sell them for US dollar on their marketplace, which is pretty cool. That's kind of, with these play-to-earn games, you play the game to earn money. So having the marketplace open is huge. Also, I just noticed this today. Part of that early access for the NFT was the alpha access, and it is now sold out. So unfortunately, if you did not get in on the alpha access for this game, it is sold out. However, you're more than welcome to go to their website and set up an account, and you can go to the marketplace and just buy, any of the stuff that you might have missed out here. I paid $30 to get in on it early, so you might end up paying more than $30 to collect all 25 of these. But it's going to be a lot like the Pokemon games, if you're familiar. These items aren't going to be 100% necessary for the game. They're just going to make the game, be able to level up faster, level up easier, whatever it is. But pretty big news for this game. I mean, they're supposed to do Alpha 6 on Tuesday, August 24th, so I'll be pretty excited to get the update downloaded and installed and see what the new gameplay looks like. So that's kind of the news for now. I don't know. Not much news-wise in the last 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, I talked about the infrastructure bill with the crypto provision. It did pass the Senate, but it still needs to go to the House. And then the House is probably going to make their own amendments, which they'll have to vote on and send back to the Senate. The House doesn't even reconvene for like 2 more weeks. It's going to be a drawn-out process. So I'll keep everybody updated on the crypto provision in the infrastructure bill. But I don't know. For right now, like I said, news, nothing major other than the price action. I mean, Bitcoin's up, trying to push over 50,000. Zoom in a little bit right here. Even if, I don't know, even if we do get past 50, I think we're probably going to see a correction. Again, this is not financial advice. This is right now, it's just me having fun with a chart. If we do get above 50, like solid confirmed, I think we could probably see maybe like 52 before we have a consolidation. Wouldn't be surprised if the consolidation does break below 50 and kind of hits this area again, 49, 48, 49. If we do get rejected right here from 50, I could definitely see down back towards that, I don't know, probably like 47 again, which will be interesting to see. Right here, I've got the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA exponential moving average price over a set amount number of days, 50, 20. It'll be interesting to see, if we break down and catch the 50-day EMA, which 47 roughly, 47,000, 47.2, 47.3. So it'll be interesting to see if we do have confirmation to break above or if we have rejection to break below. Either way, I do want to see consolidation. Don't want to see a rise all the way up with no stops for consolidation. I don't know why I'm zooming out when I can just do this. Now I got to zoom back in. We already had a portion of a run where we basically didn't stop along the way for, consolidation. Screwing this chart up, son. Zoom out. Zoom out. Right here, earlier this year, we had this huge leg up with, like I said, there was really no consolidation. There was no retrace. There was no pullback. It was just straight up, which at the time was phenomenal. But after we did this range through here and came down, there was no stops. There was no support. It was just straight back down to where we started, before we came up. So, like I said, coming up now, I don't mind seeing these retraces, consolidations, trying again, retrace, consolidate, try again. Just build a nice, healthy stairway to heaven. So, that's kind of my spiel for this week. Like I said, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, let me know. If you want to buy me a Pudgy Penguin NFT, it only cost you like $7,000 to get in on it. You can just go ahead and send that to my wallet. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I'll get you in on it real cheap and easy. Other than that, everybody have a good week. Please like the video, and I'll talk to y'all later.